the fast-moving world of generative AI, image generation continues to reach new heights. With the introduction of Imagen 3 on Vertex AI, we are launching our highest quality text-to-image model.
Wow, this is huge. Google just launched something that might completely change the way we think about creating images. It's called Imagen 3, their latest AI-powered image generator. This isn't just another tool, it's a groundbreaking leap forward in how we can create stunning visuals in seconds. So, what makes Imagen 3 so special? Let's dive into what's under the hood and see why this AI is a game changer. Imagine being able to turn a simple text prompt into a detailed, high-quality, realistic image in seconds. That's better than any other AI image generators out there, such as Dall-E and Midjourney. Imagen 3 is designed to do exactly that, transforming simple text prompts into visually impressive images almost instantly. It's not just the speed that's impressive, it's the quality. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just someone curious about this tech, Imagen 3 is here to revolutionize the way we create AI-generated images. So, what really sets Imagen 3 apart from the crowd of AI image generators? For starters, Google has been leading the charge in AI innovation for years, and Imagen 3 is their latest masterpiece. Available through the AI Test Kitchen in the US, this tool is designed to be user-friendly yet incredibly powerful, making AI-driven image creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you can input a text description, and within moments, you'll have a detailed image that looks like it was crafted by a professional. Let's not just focus on the ease of use. Let's talk about what's under the hood. Imagen 3 is marketed as a significant improvement over its predecessors, and it's easy to see why. Speed is one thing, but the real magic lies in how it handles complexity. Earlier versions of AI image generators often struggled with intricate prompts, sometimes giving you results that felt off the mark. Imagen, however, tackles these challenges head-on. It's designed to understand and process more complex language, allowing it to produce images with richer details, more accurate lighting, and a level of realism that's honestly jaw-dropping. Consider the practical applications of this technology. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect stock image or painstakingly creating one from scratch, you can generate exactly what you need in just a few seconds. For professionals like designers and marketers, this isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Need a high-resolution image for a campaign? Done. Want a custom visual for a presentation? No problem. Imagen 3's ability to quickly produce high-quality, tailored images can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. So, how exactly does Imagen 3 manage to pull this off? The technology behind it is as fascinating as the images it creates. Imagen 3 operates on a latent diffusion model, a cutting-edge method within generative AI known for its ability to produce high-quality images. In simple terms, this model starts with a noisy, unclear image and refines it iteratively into something clear and visually striking, all based on the user's prompt. Think of it as starting with a rough sketch and then adding layers of detail and color until you have a finished masterpiece. This process combines speed with precision, thanks to the optimizations Google has integrated into the system. But one of the biggest challenges in AI image generation has always been the details. Things like lighting, texture, and shadows. These are the elements that make an image feel real, or, conversely, can make it fall flat if they're off. Imagen 3 excels in this area, generating images with natural-looking lighting and textures that don't just look good, they feel authentic. This isn't just about creating pretty pictures, it's about producing visuals that resonate with viewers on a deeper level. And let's not forget about speed. Imagen 3 is not only accurate, but also fast. This AI model is designed to generate high-quality images quickly, representing a significant improvement over earlier versions. This speed doesn't come at the expense of quality, making Imagen 3 a practical tool for real-time use. Whether you're brainstorming ideas for a project or need a quick visual for a presentation, Imagen 3 delivers without making you wait. Now, let's talk versatility. Imagen 3 isn't just a one-trick pony. It can handle a wide range of visual styles. Whether you're aiming for a hyper-realistic photo, a minimalist illustration, or something entirely abstract, Imagen 3 can adapt to the task. This adaptability is a big reason why Imagen 3 has quickly gained popularity among both casual users and professionals. It's not just about what it can do, but how well it can do it across different creative demands. And here's something that might surprise you. Imagen 3 is currently free to use. In a world where many advanced AI tools come with a hefty price tag, Google's decision to make Imagen 3 freely accessible is significant. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a move that lowers the barriers to entry, enabling more people to experiment with AI technology and discover its creative potential. Whether you're a professional or just someone who loves to tinker with new tools, this is your chance to dive into AI without worrying about costs. But, like any tool, Imagen 3 isn't without its limitations. One of the most notable restrictions is its inability to generate images involving public figures or copyrighted content. So, if you're hoping to create an image of your favorite celebrity or a well-known character, you're out of luck. This limitation is a deliberate choice by Google to prevent potential legal issues and misuse of the technology. However, this doesn't mean you're entirely limited. Users have found creative ways to work around these restrictions. Instead of asking for a specific celebrity, for example, you can describe a scene or an era in detail to achieve a similar effect. These creative workarounds also encourage a more thoughtful interaction with the AI. Rather than just typing in a name or a brand, you're prompted to think critically about how you frame your request. This adds an element of creativity to the process that can be both challenging and rewarding. Let's talk about what makes Imagen 3 so fun to use. For one, it's incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get the most out of it. The interface is straightforward, allowing you to focus on your creativity without getting bogged down by complex settings. Plus, the AI learns from your inputs, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding and delivering exactly what you're looking for. And the fun doesn't stop there. Imagen 3's ability to handle a variety of styles opens up a world of creative possibilities. Want to see how your living room would look with a modern art piece on the wall? Imagen can generate that for you. Curious about how a vintage poster design might look with a 21st century twist? Just type it in, and the AI brings your vision to life. The tool isn't just powerful, it's playful, allowing you to explore and experiment with different ideas in a way that's both exciting and productive. Imagen 3 is more than just a new tool. It's a glimpse into the future of creativity. It's a powerful example of how AI can democratize the creative process, making it easier for anyone to produce high-quality visuals, regardless of their skill level. And as AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for creative expression will only expand. The future of visual content creation is here, and it's looking more exciting than ever.